Detroit Street Watchers. About to see what's going on down here. As you can see, they got it blocked up, so we just going to take a peek. We're going to take a peek. Find out what's going on. Detroit Street Watchers.
What up, though? You alright? Shit. The people I'm in the backseat, people they done took off. I paid them to take me to work. They done made the damn accident. The guy told her get the fuck on. She drove while he laid in the grass and jumped on the bus. And I'm late for work. I'm supposed to work at 2 o'clock.
Get the
Yeah. Paid them motherfuckers to take me to work. They got into an argument, and it is. What 2 hours later? Shit. My boss don't want to hear that bullshit about no accident. And he just told me the other day, you got one more time to fuck up, Thompson. Shit.
Man,
You been okay?
Same old
They
shit.
just get it, and they still don't want to talk to niggas. I can at least tell them I'm talking to the police. Can I get there? They still ain't got no damn. Still ain't want to give me no statement. Being cheap, trying to keep them paying 16, pay 10. I'm in this bullshit. I should went and spent that damn $16 damn dollars. I'd have been no work.
Got to work.
Huh? Sometimes it's best to go and pay that damn cab fare.
Damn, so he was turning and running to the back. I know.
I'm in the backseat on the phone with my boss telling me, hey, I'm telling her I might be a little few minutes late because they was on some bullshit.
It's too hot for this shit.
That's what I'm mad about. Then she see that kill out the baby and she gonna keep on going.
Damn.
She was gonna stop. He told her, get the fuck on. She didn't go back. I seen her back up. He said, get the fuck on. She pulled the fuck off. He laid in the grass and looked up and seen the bus. Seen the corner bus and got up and hopped on that bitch.
Damn.
He laid down so much so he can get out the scene. He a tall, light-skinned dude. Taller than my man.
Went down this way?
The bus going this way. Conant bus. He laid right there by that sign. Laid down. Seen the bus right there, and I looked on the bus right there. He got up and jumped on the bus. So he held man, told her, get the fuck on. She was gonna stop. She backed up everything and pulled right there. He said, get the fuck on. And she took the fuck off and he jumped on the bus. You got the plate? You got the plate? That I don't even know. You got your boss on your ears.
This is crazy mad, bro. It's crazy. Crazy man. It's crazy. Fuck you. It's crazy. So as you can see, man, apparently argument started, and one thing led to another, which it's crazy, man. And what's the sad thing about it is that my man got on the bus and went towards this way. So the guy got off the grass and he went straight down that way. Detroit street watchers out here, man. It's crazy, man, B. Another day, hot as hell, too. Crazy, man.
When I came, I'm the world. When I came, I'm the world. When I came, I'm the world. When I came.